Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy Thanksgiving. I believe you will have a wonderful year and there's a lot to come. So I bought the CVS matchups and breakdown for the coming week for November 29th till December 5th. Let's go to deals one by one. So Crust Scope this week is going to be buy one get $3 extra bucks with a limit of 2. And when you buy one Crust Scope, that is $4.79, you can use $1 off Crust PNG coupon that is going to be coming in this week insert, and that will reduce your total to $3.79. You will get back $3 extra bucks. Final price will be 79 cent only. I have another scenario. If you have that CRT, let's go to that one. So in this scenario, I'm using $2 off $6 mouthwash CRT. If you have that, you can buy 2 Crust Scope, each for $4.79. You can use 2 coupons for $1 from Crust BNG from next week insert. That will reduce your total to $5.58. You will get back $6 extra bucks. Final price will be free and 42-cent moneymaker. I think this is a better deal if you have that CRT. Don't forget to combine it. Let's go to next. So Crust Scope is Crust toothpaste is going to be buy 3 get $5 extra bucks with a limit of 2. So if you buy 3 Crust toothpaste, that is $3.99. You can use 2 coupons, 3 coupons of $2 from PNG 1122 insert. That will reduce your total to $5.97, and you will get back $5 extra bucks, making it 97 cents for all 3 of them. If you have $4 of 14 Crust CRT as I have, so I have another scenario for you. Let's go to that one. So this is for this you have to buy 2 Crust Scope mouthwash for $4.79 each and Crust toothpaste for $3.99. You have to use 3 coupons of $2 Crust toothpaste from coming up insert PNG and $1 Crust Scope mouthwash, 2 of them. And then you can combine it with $4 of 14 Crust CRT. That will reduce your total to $9.55. You will get back $5 extra bucks and $6 extra bucks for Crust Scope and $5 for toothpaste. That will be all 5 items are free and $1.45 moneymaker. So Colgate is going to be buy 2 get $4 extra bucks, limit of 2. When you buy 2 Colgate toothpaste, $3.49 each, and use 2 coupons of $1.50. That is also going to be next week insert. And we all got $2.99 Colgate CRT this week. That you can combine with them. That will reduce your total to $2.49. You will get back $4 extra bucks. Final price will be free and $1.50 moneymaker. So if you have saved that $2.99, then it will be moneymaker. Otherwise, it will be $1.50 out of pocket. So look for that CRT. Let's go to next. So Hallmark this week again. If you will buy something more than $2, and when you buy 3, you will get back $3 extra bucks. Limit of 1. So my suggestion is buy 4, because if you have $4 of 4 Hallmark CRT, you can combine that with that. Otherwise, you can look for some other scenario, including that. So I will definitely suggest when you buy 4 of them, that will be $8, and you use 2 of your CRTs of $4 of 4. That will reduce your total to $0, and you will get back $3. That will be $3 moneymaker that we can use definitely some other deals too. Let's go to next. So Nivea lotion is buy 2 get $5 extra bucks, and in this 8.4 ounces are also included. If you'll buy them, they are $5.99 at my store. I believe maybe price will vary. Maybe you will have some less and I will have more. You will use 2 coupons of $2 from coupons.com, and if I have $3 of $10 lotion CRT. So final price will be $4.98. I will get back $5 extra bucks, making completely free for both of them. If you have another CRT $4 of $20, you can let me know in that. I have another scenario for that one as well. But right now, let's go to Sally Hansen. So Sally Hansen is this week is buy 2 get $5 extra bucks with a limit of 1. And in this, extreme wear is also included, so you can buy that. That is $3.99. Final price is $7.98. Get back $5 extra bucks. Last price will be $2.98 or $1.49 for each of them. So on my card, I have $2 of $8 Helly Hansen CRT. I believe that will work on extreme wear, but stay tuned. I will let you know in the video, my whole video, if that worked out. So final price will be $5.98, and I will get back $5 extra bucks, making it 98 cents for both of them, 49 cents for each of the Helly Hansen. I think that's a decent price to buy for it. So GSQ Glam Squad is again going to be giving $4 extra bucks next week. This week it is only on nail files 3-pack, but next week it is going to give $4 extra bucks. So you can again buy the nail files 3-pack for $99. You will get back $4 extra bucks, making them $4.99 out of pocket. I think that's good price for nail files. You can buy, I think, Blender as well. That is $4.49, and you will get back $4 extra bucks on that, and making it 49 cents out of pocket for both of them. Let's go to next. So this week, the LA Girl is you will buy one, you will get back $4 extra bucks with a limit of 3. But next week it is going to include Wet n Wild gift set, the small one. If you will buy one, you will get back $4 extra bucks. So select hair appliances, that is Conair and all. So when you spend 15 on them, you will get back $10 extra bucks. So buy one hair appliances of $15, you will get roll $15 in extra bucks. You will get back $10 extra bucks. Final price will be $5 for that product. I think that can be good if we are getting some CRTs or something. Sometimes like hair appliances CRTs we have, that can also work sometimes. So stay tuned for my CVS haul for next week. I will definitely try to show you guys. So Maybelline is going to be spent 15, get $5 extra bucks. Buy one Maybelline lip kit, that is $7.99. Buy one Maybelline mascara, that is $6.99. Use $2 off Maybelline mascara from Retail Me Not 11.15. And we are going to get $4 instant coupon on L'Oreal and Maybelline Cosmetics again. Last week they said that we will get $4 off Maybelline instant coupon, but I heard that some people are getting $8 of $20 or something else. So that will reduce our total to $4.98. We will get back $5 extra bucks plus discounts toward beauty. If you have $3 of $15 beauty cosmetics CRT, don't forget to combine this with it. That will be $1.50 beauty buck. And these two are giving points on Fetch Reward as well. You will get 2,000 points and you will get 1,500 points. That is around $3.50. So final price for buying both of them, that will be $5 moneymaker. And if you have that $3 of $8 15 CRT, these two will be around $8 moneymaker. So I believe this can help you guys as well. Let's go to next. So if you did not use those CRTs on Maybelline, you can use them on L'Oreal Cosmetics as well. So L'Oreal Cosmetics this week is going to be buy two get $5 extra bucks. If you will buy L'Oreal eyeshadows for $6.59, both of them, you can use both coupons of $4 instant coupons. That will reduce your total to $5.18. You will get back $5 extra bucks. Plus discounts toward beauty, you will get back $1 for that one as well. They are completely free and slightly 80-cent money maker. So yeah, if you haven't used those CRTs on Maybelline, go ahead to use them on L'Oreal. Okay, let's go to next. So this is Schick and Skintimate deal. So Skintimate is going to be buy one get one 50% off, and spend 15 get $5 extra bucks. So I think Schick disposables we can definitely buy for. That is going to be $9.99 and other will be $5. I have $4 of 2 Skintimate CRT and $3 of 12 Razor CRT. So I'm going to combine both of them. That will reduce my total to $7.98. I will get back $5 extra bucks, making final price is $2.98 for both. I think that's a decent price for both of them. If you haven't stocked up, buy it. I will pass for this deal because I I'm already stocked up on Skinty Mates. Let's go to next. So again, going to be Schick razors. Buy 2 get $10 extra bucks, limit of 1. So Schick Hydro, Schick Extreme. Schick Hydro is $11.99 and Extreme is $9.79. Use $4 off Schick Hydro CRT, $3 off Schick Extreme CRT, $5 off $20 Razor CRT. Rolled off $10.98, get back $10 extra bucks, making $1 for both of them. This is the same scenario we did this week, but I had $4 of $4 Hydro CRT and $4 of Schick Extreme CRT as well. But I'm giving this scenario for $3 because I heard that $3 is a more common one. Let's go to next. So spend 30, get $10 extra bucks. So I did 2 scenarios on them. One is with Bounty and detergent, and other one is with L'Oreal and detergent. So let's go with Bounty and detergent first. In this, you have to buy 2 Tide detergent for $5.94 each, and you have to buy 2 Persil for $4.99. Buy 1 Bounty or Charmin for $7.99. Use 2 coupons of $2 from P&G. November P&G, I think it's December P&G, and use 2 of Persil Retail Me Not, 50 cent of Bounty from the P&G, and $2 of 2 Persil CRT. That will reduce your total to $21.60. You'll get back $10 extra bucks. Final price is $11.60 for all of them. Let's go to another scenario. So in this, I will suggest buy 1 Tide detergent, $5.94, Persil $4.99, L'Oreal moisturizer $19.79, and use $2 off Tide P&G, $2 off Persil Retail Me Not, $1 off 1 Persil CRT, $3 off L'Oreal Retail Me Not $11.15, 2 CRTs of L'Oreal $6, and 5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT as well. That will reduce your total to $5.72. You'll get back $10, making these 3 products completely free plus $4 money maker. I think that's a good price for each of the things. Thank you guys. Really appreciate your time for watching this. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are safe and sound. Enjoy your time and happy winters as well. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.